hustlers, would you believe me if I told you that all of these SMR videos are AI generated? Trust me, they are AI generated, and I've generated them using a single AI tool and a single prompt. So you might be wondering, why am I telling you this? So this type of videos have been going viral over the past few days. So if we head over to TikTok and check out this account called The Impossible AI, shout out to the account owner, we'll see that this type of videos have been getting a lot of views. So if you come here to this account, you'll see that this one has just a single video has just generated 27.8 m. This one has just generated 8.7 m. This is 5.6 m, and this one is 6.6 m. And so you can see that not only these videos are easy to make, but they are also trending, which means there is a high demand for this type of videos. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to create these viral AI-generated SMR videos. And the good thing is that we are going to be using VEO3 for free. So if you want to know how you can have access to VEO3 for free, please make sure to check out my video where I go in detail how to get VEO3 for free, even if you are not a student or you are not in the US. So check it out. It's in the description. So hustlers, if you're ready, let's step into the side hustle. As usual, we are starting with a prompt, but this time I did not go in details of how I created these prompts using ChatGPT, but rest assured you'll find them in the description. So make sure to hit that link and download them. You can use them as a template, you can edit, you can do everything you want with it. So if you're interested and you want to use my prompts as a template, all you have to do is to edit all these red parts, only that, and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to start with our first prompt, which is of a banana, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to head over to Flow. After getting into Flow, the first thing I'm going to do is to check if I'm using the text to video feature. So you do it by coming here and select text to video, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. After inserting our prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to come to settings and make sure, since we are working on a budget and we don't want to waste our credits, we are going to check that the output we select is 1, or you can just leave it to 2, but it's going to cost you more credits. And we are going to make sure that we are using the model of VEO3 first. And the reason why we are not using VEO3 quality is because it costs more credits. So let's try it here, you will see that it's going to cost you 100 credits, while VEO3 first is going to cost you only 20 credits. So we are using VEO3 first because it's cheaper and it costs fewer credits compared to VEO3 quality. So after you're done with all the settings, you're going to hit generate. You're going to wait. This can take a couple of seconds, but you're going to wait. So as you can see, our first video have been created. So let's view it and see how it looks. Wow, it really looks amazing. So let's try on our second prompt. So our second video have been created. Let's review it and see how it looks. And I think it's time for our third and last video. So hustlers, this is how you create these viral SMR videos using VEO3. And as you just saw, it's very easy, it's beginner friendly. So if you found value in this video, make sure to like, to share, to comment, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.